One, this is our report. Title is Climate Change. Introduction. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, a United Nations body that evaluates climate change, Science released its report on global climate change. The report important conclusion were the following words: climate has changed significantly over the past century. The significant change has human influence using climate's model, and if the trend continues, the global mean surface temperature will increase between 1 Celsius and 3.5 Celsius by 2100. So, kani daw the IPCC, an UN body that assesses climate science, reported the global climate has changing significantly over the past century, largely due to human activities and projects based on climate models that if current trends continue, the average global surface temperature could rise by 1 Celsius to 3.5 Celsius by the year 2100. So, ang kani daw ang IPCC is mo siya. Ay, bali, bob. So, climate change refers to the statistically significant changes in climate for continuous period of time. Factors that contribute to the climate change can be natural, internal processes, external forces, and persistent anthropogenic changes in the composition of the atmosphere or in land use. It can also be due to natural occurrence or contribute by acts of human being. So, climate change refer to noticeable and long-term changes in the Earth climate patterns such as temperature, rainfall, or wind. The last for an extended period of time. So, ang example niya is mo ng temperature, rainfall, or wind. So, these changes can happen naturally due to internal process within the Earth like ocean currents or volcanic activity, or external forces like changes in the sun's energy. So, mahitabo po daw ni siya naturally sa tungod po daw sa kanang mga volcanic activity or external forces. So, however, human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes are now major contributors as they release greenhouse gases and alter the land use which disturb the natural balance of atmosphere. So, kani daw ng mga human activity like deforestation, industrial process, or major contributors ay makarelease mo din sila greenhouse gases ug alter land use which disturb the natural balance of the atmosphere. Causes of climate change. The causes of climate change could be natural or by human activities. So, ang nasa duha ka cause sa climate change. Kung ang isa is natural, then ang kaduha kay human activities. This is natural causes. Volcanic eruption are one of the natural causes of climate change. When volcanoes erupt, it emits different natural aerosol like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, salt crystals, volcanic ashes, or dust, and even microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. So, ang example sa natural causes is ang volcanic eruption. Muna siya mga example. Napagina siya lahi nga mga example like solar variation, earth orbital change, and ocean currently or natural greenhouse gas emission. So mo na mga example niya. So pag ang volcanoes daw mag-erupt is magahatag daw ni siya og mga carbon ay na din mo gawas ng mga carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, salt crystal, or volcanic ashes, or mga dust. Then napon ni siya mga microorganism like bacteria and viruses. Ashes which have sulfur dioxide combined with water vapor, it then forms the sulfuric acid and sulfurous aerosol. So, ang kanidang mga volcanic ashes is naa po daw ni siya sulfur dioxide kun gi-combine po siya sa water before then nag-forms po siya og sulfuric acid and sulfuric aerosols. There are several recorded major volcanic eruption that causes climate change. So na mga several nga naka-record nga volcanic eruption nga naka-cause of climate change. So number 1 is Mount Tambora of Indonesia. Erupted in 1816, it was considered as the largest known eruption in human history. The eruption caused snowfall in the northeastern United States and Canada. It affected their agricultural lands, losing crops that caused food shortage and increased human mortality. So pag-erupt daw sa sa Mount Tambora of Indonesia is na-consider po daw ni siya as the largest known eruption in human history. So pag-erupt niya is nag-cause siya og snowfall sa sa northeastern United States and Canada. So naapektuhan po daw ang agriculture and losing po daw sa crops and og na cause na po siya cause sa shorted food nga ilahang na short sila sa ilahang pagkaon because ani nga pag-erupt sa Mount Tambora of Indonesia. Eruption of Mount Krakatau of Indonesia in 1883. The eruptions of Mount Pinatubo of the Philippines in 1991 contribution to the cold years of planet Earth. Changes. Earth orbit can also cause climate change. This was proposed by the Milankovitch theory. So, Milankovitch theory states that as the Earth travels through space around the Sun, cyclical variation in the three elements of Earth-Sun geometry combine to produce variation in the amount. So, ang orbital change, ang theory sa Milankovitch theory explain that cyclical changes in Earth orbit, specifically its eccentricity, shape, axial tilt, and precession, affect the amount of distribution of the solar energy the planet receives, leading to long-term climate change such as ice age. So, kung ang according sa theory daw ani is kung ang amount sa distribution sa solar energy to the planet kay maka-receive do siya og long-term climate change like such as ice age. So mao to siya ang ma-receive sa ato ang planet. So the three elements that have cycle variation ay eccentricity, obliquity, precession. So mao na siya ang mga elements nga naay cycle variation. So explain ni siya sa ako ang kauban.
Eccentricity. Earth's orbit refers of the shape Earth's orbit around the Sun. The Earth's orbit is not perfectly circular but is slightly elliptical. This vibration in shape impacts the amount of solar energy received at different times of the year. When Earth is at perihelion closest to the Sun around January 3, it receives more solar energy, and when its aphelion farthest from the Sun around July 4, it receives less. The cycle of intensity vibration occurs approximately every 98,000 years. Currently, Earth's intensity is about 0.16, leading to about 6.4 increase in solar radiation received from July to January. Academic Emporia state that eccentricity of Earth orbit influence seasonal difference. When Earth closest to the Sun, it receives more solar radiation, leading to milder winters if the perihelion occurs during winter. Conversely, if a hemisphere is experienced summer during its closest approach to the Sun, the summer are relatively warmer. The three elements that have cycle variation are eccentricity, obliquity, and precession. The time frame from cycle is approximately 98,000 years. Obliquity refers to the vibration in the tilt of Earth axis away from the orbital plane. This tilt changes over the cycle of approximately 40,000 years and influence the severity of seasons. When the tilt greater than difference between summer and winter, temperature becomes more pronounced and resulting in a warmer summer and colder winters. Conversely, a smaller tilt leads to a milder season with cooler summers and milder winters. Precession is defined as the change of orientation of the Earth's rotational axis, completing a cycle approximately every 19,000 to 23,000 years. This phenomenon is attributed to two main factors: a wobble in Earth's axis and turning of the elliptical orbit of Earth itself. The slide is visually represented with a green and white colors scheme, featuring stylish graphics that evoke a landscape with a smokestack, wind and turbines and rolling hills. Carbon dioxide. CO2 is a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. It is added to atmosphere when power and heat produced by burning fossil fuels like coal and oil. While transparent to sunshine, CO2 absorbs faded radiation heat leaving the ground, trapping it and warming the air near the surface, acting like a blanket. Doubling the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere is estimated raise the temperature by 2 Celsius to 3 Celsius, reducing CO2 is emission to crucial to combat climate change. Human activities result in emission of four principal greenhouse gases. 1. Carbon dioxide. 2. Methane. 3. Nitrous oxide. 4. Halocarbons. The burning of fossils are the largest contributor to climate change because burning fossil fuels release carbon dioxide into atmosphere. Deforestation almost plays significant role by reducing the planet capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. Additionally, in the image, mentioned methane emission agriculture, nature gas distribute, and landfills as contributing factors. These factors collectively contribute of the increasing of the greenhouse gases which trap heat in the atmosphere.
Nitrous oxide. Ang nitrous oxide usa ka greenhouse gas na mugikan sa mga kalihukan sa tao sama sa paggamit og fertilizer sa umah o pagsunog og fossil fuels, langis, uling, gasolina. Example sa mga gigamitan og daghang abono, kusog ang pagula sa nitrous oxide ngadto sa kalangitan.